Hi, it's the 7th of January, it's a Tuesday, and I got a little gift. I also got this gift. Christmas time, Ferrari cap from the Sicilian branch of the family. Sicily. Remember that. Don't mess with us. So I got this package. I know who it's from. It's from Nico. Our friend, Slotcar dude, Nico. Haven't a clue what's in it. All I know is that he sent me something. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm really intrigued as to what's in this. Nico, maybe a set of tyres. I don't know. I'll take a guess, wild guess. Maybe tyres for a car. Lord knows what it's going to be. Let's find out. It's Christmas again. Nico's probably watching this saying, "Oh no, Harry, don't open it with a knife." Hold on. Whatever's in it, I'll make sure it's over this side. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to cut any more. I want to be careful. What have you got? Oh look, Austrian newspaper. Is it Austrian newspaper? Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Austrian. Some bloke cooking. Very good. Okay, let's see. What has Nico said? Ooh. What's this? Ooh, awesome. Awesome. Wow. It's a 143 car. Hold on a second. I'll get my specs on. Tires. Oh, I think, yeah. Very interesting. Very good timing, Nico. This is actually referring to what Nico done on his channel, on Slotcar Dude's channel. He done a career to go car and done a job on it for running faster and without magnets and stuff like that. What else have we got? Oh, something with Carrero on it. Oh, let me see. I want to be careful taking that out. Got to be careful with that. I love literature. Do you remember the old days? We used to go and get our Scale Electric catalogues and spend hours browsing over what cars we could get. Oh, Carrera toys. Oh, super. Oh, love that. That's like we used to have years ago from the cars, from Scale Electrics and that. That's super. I love that. Thank you, Nico. Very good. Very good reference for the Carrera Go cars and that. I don't know. I have my glasses on. Let me see. What scales? Are they all the different scales? Yeah, digital 132, digital 124. That's fantastic. I love that. That's great. Okay. So we've a set of lovely rubber tyres. Make sure there's no address on this one. Yeah. All right. These are the Ortman tyres. The exact tyres that Nico was telling us about on his post. Oh, super. So, give me a look at what we have here. Have to be careful taking this out. Me being ham-fisted. Lovely Carrera car. Carrera 143rd scale Go car. So I think the hint is, Harry, get that magnet out, put them tyres on it, and put those rubber, what are they called? Rubber seals on. That's what Nico put on the front wheels. He put these rubber seals on the front wheels. And then he has these on the back. He took the magnet out, put a bit of weight in, and he on his one he put screws with some body float. But that's great. That's super. There's something for me to experiment with. And the good thing is, I haven't got that one before. That's a new car for me. That's a new Carrera. I don't have that one. Some great stuff. Now, you all know I love my British classic cars, and I'm not into supercars. But when you're into Carrera Go, that's all they do. You know, they do supercars. That's what they do. Now, they have the NASCARs out now, and I do fancy the NASCARs as well. But this is the type of cars they do for the Carrera Go. And the few rally cars as well. That's lovely. Thank you so much, Nico. That's great. I'll have good fun with that. I'll run it around as is. Then I'll have a little play with it. I'll take the magnet out. I'll put these tyres on. I'll do what Nico done with putting these rubber bands or rubber oil seals, you know, that you might have on the top of an engine. On a cylinder head, maybe, where oil ways join up, where you're doing a top cylinder or something like that. Right, yeah, excellent. Thank you, my friend. Hold on, I'll zoom around to me. That's fantastic. Thank you very much, Nico. I'll have fun. I'll have fun with that. We'll have a play with that. I'll put away at the moment because, as you know, my track is full of hills and bits of styrofoam and cut wood and everything. But you'll see that come out again, and you'll see me playing with that and having a go at tuning that. That's great. And he was telling us about these Altman tires. These are the lace. Is that the way around? Yeah. This company here. I know we have Paul Gage also make tires, but this is the Altman tires for the Carrera cars. So very interesting to try these and this, because we all know these are very glued to the track. You know, when you buy them out of the box, they're very unrealistic. You know, tail slides usually just breaks away, but this will this is a very interesting experiment now, and see how it runs on the big garage track. That's great. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Nico. I'll try and get this post out later today or tomorrow. I want to get it out in the next day or two. So I'll bung it together. Have a quick look at the editing. I think I should get it out either later today or tomorrow. Thanks for watching the channel, guys. Thanks for watching all us Slotcar guys share the love between ourselves and our friends, and, you know, sharing cars to each other and stickers and, you know, all the good stuff. Supporting each other's channels. I love it. It's great. It's a great hobby. It's a great hobby to be into. If you're only after coming into it and you have somehow happened to come across my channel, check out all the other channels. Most people who comment on my channel all have their own channels. So click on the little circle and you'll go to their channels and have a look at their channels and subscribe to them. And we'll try and get this hobby huge on YouTube, because it deserves to get huge. And I think it's getting bigger and bigger. We have more channels coming all the time. People are adding channels, adding content. We've loads of scales. We've the HO scale, the AFX stuff and stuff like that. We've the 143rd scale, SCX, Carrera. We have some brands you can get from AliExpress really cheap. We've the 132 cars from tons of brands. Sky Electrics, Carrera, Fly, Revo Slot, Polycar, NSR, Thunder Slot. There's just tons of companies making cars. Then we've the 124 cars, the big guys. And we got the Carrera 124 cars, which are fabulous. We've got the BRMs, which I love. They've gone a bit expensive lately. We've the Thunder Slots, which are very expensive for me as well. But we've a huge amount of stuff out there. Everything you'd ever want, all different tracks. We've people making, you know, we've people like Tara painting these 132nd strictly figures. You know, she's painting figures. We've guys producing figures. We've magnetic racing, folks like magnetic racing who are doing all your stuff for your trackside, your signs, your buildings, your bridges. It's a fantastic hobby. It really is. And you have the guys in the States, more so, because I think it's more of a tradition. Building home-built 124 cars and 132 cars on I think it's brass they're using, but they're building them on chassis. And then we've the guys like on my post, the guys who are doing the high-speed cars. World Championship cars, and they're very high spec. So you want to step up to the Formula One of the sport, you go up there, and they're extremely interesting to get involved in. So what a great hobby, and what a great bunch of people, and what a great guy Nico is. Thank you, mate. I'll have fun with this. We'll see how it goes. This thing's all crooked, isn't it? I went mad the other night with my razor. Doesn't look straight, does it? What have I done? We do these things, and then the next morning we wake up and we go, what have you done, you idiot? I've shaved this off now. I have to shave all this and start again. Oh, the missus will kill me.